So let's start our session. So myself, Vikas, is currently working in IRL Hyderabad as project associate. So today we are going to discuss about AFO Mains paper. And as you know, all of you know, then 14th December is the mains exam. और मान लीजिए किसी का फिलिंग्स नहीं भी हुआ, जैसे कि फिलिंग्स में कुछ डाउट है आप लोगों को, इसमें अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो इसके आपका एससी नेशनल सिविल कॉर्पोरेशन का एग्जाम भी है और कहीं ना कहीं आपका एचए का भी वैकेंसी है, उसमें आप लोगों का ये काम आएगा। तो मतलब कुछ बुराई नहीं है, तो अभी आप जो है शुरू कर सकते हैं। सी then you have 30 days left for the mains examinations, and for the better preparation you have to just count down the time. So you just start count down the time. Then today is 13th of November. You just write here like 30, 29, 28 like that. You have to just count down up to 13th of December so that you can know how much time you have left for the examinations, mains examination, because you have mains examination on 14th of December and you will divide subject according to your need and preparation before. जैसे कि आप लोगों को कुछ टॉपिक्स जैसे कि एंटोमोलॉजी हो गया, सीड टेक्नोलॉजी हो गया, जेनेटिक्स हो गया, प्लांट ब्रीडिंग, ये सब जो है पहले आपको देखना है, बाकी सब टॉपिक जो है लास्ट में भी हो सकता है। और जैसे कि एग्रोनॉमी, सॉइल साइंस, question distribution for IBPS AFO Mains 2023. For agronomy you have 9 questions, agrometeorology 1 questions, agroforestry 4 questions, seed technology 3 questions, soil science 7 questions, agricultural engineering 2 questions, and for plant pathology entomology 7 questions you have, and in plant breeding and crop physiology 2 questions came, animal husbandry 6 questions, horticulture 9 questions, fishery 5 questions, agriculture current affairs 4, and agriculture. We are conducting one mains mentorship meet on 15th of November 2024, and just it's in the description box in our YouTube, and this session is also live there. Share among your friends. And this also we are going live 7 p.m. or 15th November, so you can join in this session. And in this session we are going to discuss about the study plan, important topics regarding the mains, then mains PYQ analysis and question answer session. Then we'll see the trends. You can just take the screenshot also, like animal husbandry total in 3 years 30 questions. You can see here in 2023 8 questions, in 2022 10 questions, and in 2021 12 questions is there, and in horticulture 5, 7, 6, and you can see other topics also you can see, and you can take one screenshot for your last time preference, and you can study according to this and give preference to according to the subject previous year question papers. Like you can see animal husbandry more number of questions came in 2023, like that you can 2024 you can expect this type of this amount of questions from animal husbandry and dairy, and in horticulture also you can expect in agronomy 4 questions. Agronomy and soil science are as compared to your genetics and entomology. So you can now start entomology and sericulture and different like seed technology. And this and in scheme you got 3 questions, current affairs that one, extension education 1 question, statistical general awareness 2 questions, with science you can take this one screenshot here. And in current affair you can see in current affair you can also see here we are going topic wise previous year question I am discussing here, topic wise trend analysis from current affairs in 2023 PM Kusum, PM Kisan, and in 2022 Ministry of Commerce, that is Deen Dayal and Manrega, and ACABC scheme came, and in 2021 FRP, GBA all you focus on this scheme only, and separately we am discussing one video series. Video which we have already started in our YouTube channel. You can go and see there. We are complete. Important nutrients, land gradients, pedology, plasticity in soil science, this type of questions. Horticulture also you can see. In 2023, 8 question came, and in number of, and in 2022, 4 question came, and here in 2021, 8 question came, and in 2020, 4 question came. That is onion pungency, pineapple, this one, and different varieties. Here importance you can see here, like pineapple varieties they have asked, then sapota, then amrapalli, and red delicious. This is one apple variety. In 2022, we will discuss now only red delicious. Red delicious is a variety of apple only. Then you can see here in 2023, no question from extension education and economics, but you can observe in KCS, that is your communication knowledge communication system, and Corp 1 question in KBK in marketing in 2020, and entomology pathology you can see downy mildew, damping of trap crops, prions, and in 8 question came in 2023. In 2022 also 8 question came, and in 2021 4 questions, and you can see in 2020 they have given 10 क्वेश्चन. तो ये आप लोगों को समझना जरूरी है कि IBPS AFO आजकल जो है ज़्यादातर अप्लाइड सब्जेक्ट को लेकर क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, जैसे कि एंटोमोलॉजी हो गया, पैथोलॉजी हो गया, ये सब अप्लाइड सब्जेक्ट है. तो अप्लाइड सब्जेक्ट से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, तो ये थोड़ा टॉपिक जो है आपको फोकस करना है. जैसे कि फूड टैक्स से हो गया, आपका वे प्रोटीन एफ वैल्यू से क्वेश्चन था 2023, और 2023 का पेपर मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस करके भी रखा है. एंड इन 2022 चीज एंड पाराबॉइलिंग, देन एडल्टरेशन, पास्चुराइजेशन, गोल्डन राइस, घी, एंड IRI, and in genetics plant breeding they are giving IRI variety, isolation distance, genetic mutations, and genetic engineering, and gene transfer, and polyploidy. And you can see here 3 questions, 5 questions, 5 questions, 5 questions, and you can take screenshot from here also. And in animal husbandry there is sheep gestation stake 1 term used for male castration. We will discuss now only. In 2023 I think or 22 one question asked pig male castration or something like that. And fowl, egg, floor space, and here total number of question 5. And GNRS, this is gonadotrophin releasing hormone, pasteurization, osteocycle, inoculation, breed, rumination, drought breed, then nutrient, moisture, matter, cage culture, salinity, fish farming, this one from the fishery. Your number of question you can see here. And in agroforestry, hypsometer, lubricating oil, photoblastic drainage, high forest, salt tree, and in agri engineering, that is secondary tillage, cylinder, combine harvester, power generation, thresher, rotavator, zero till tractor, harrow. That is in 2023 1 questions. And here you can see in 2021 4 question, and here in 2022 question they have asked. And plant physiology, photoblastic sheet, drainage, photoperiodism, glycogen, phototrophism, components of protein, all these have came. Then now we'll start 2022 paper discussion. Please let me know whether our live streaming is on. So let's start. Excretory organ of silkworm, which is located at the junction of midgut and hindgut, is, your answer is your Malpighian tubules, because proboscis, this one the excretory organs of your hemichordates and Malpighian tubules. This is the excretory organ of like your and nephridia is from excretory organ of annelids and green gland crustaceans. And you can know in there is three parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. In head part antenna and compound eye is there, and in thorax leg is there, and abdomen physiological function is there. Then GnRH is released from which organs? It is released from hypothalamus is the answer. And GnRH full form is gonadotrophin releasing hormone. Releasing hormone, and this can stimulate your FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and it can your maintain pregnancy in different organisms. Then types of silviculture system which can regenerate through the seeds and majority have a long life is called. This is high forest. And here the answer is high forest, because pollarding means cutting of tree from the top, and high forest means your the system regeneration from the seedling, and copicing means the traditional tree management system to regenerate trees and hearths. And then in forking, split into two parts, that is the wood will split into two parts. Here you can see in pollarding means you can just remove the above part and just put like round shape. This is pollarding. And you can see here forking means this is split into two parts, above and down part. And here you can see this is high forest pictures. And last one is copicing. You can just cut from the bottom part. After that it will grow this like. Then empty barrels, plastic containers and stray styrofoam bodies in cage culture can be used for the purpose of cage cover. You can see here in cage cover, this is the fish culture system, in which like the cage like plastic container are placed in the water body, so that fish cultivated will be more. Here cultivation is more, and faster growth rate, efficiency, feed utilization is there, good water quality the fish will get. And during the drying, some part of the wood may dry rapidly while some may not. Because of this improper drying, shrinkage of wood occurs that results in defect called collapse. Because cracking means it will split little, and twist means they will twist small in small amount. You can see here in pictures they are twisting in small amount. Cracking means split into some parts. And in case hardening means outer part they will totally dry nicely, but you can see middle part some cracking are there. And sand percentage in sandy soil is 80%. Here your answer is C, 80%, because soil structure means soil particles group together to form aggregates or pads with a definite structure, that is called soil structure. And soil texture means relative proportion of sand, silt and clay. One is soil structure, it is soil particles grouped together to form packs. Soil texture, a relative proportion of sand, silt and clay. This is your soil texture. And soil color, in soil color you can measure through Munsell soil color chart. A destructive polyhedrosis disease, a silkworm that is related to wilt and is marked by spotty yellowing of skin and internal liquefaction is called jaundice. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा आपका? ग्रासेरिज, बी ऑप्शन. Here febrile is the protozoan disease, and you can Flachery, it is bacterial and viral mixed disease. And aspergillosis, in that bacteria is streptococcus species, or staphylococcus species. They will be responsible for this disease. And it is the question from economic entomology questions. And here here you can see in this intersegmental part, hard and yellow. Baby corn is harvested at which stage? तो इसका आंसर जो होगा आफ्टर सिल्किंग स्टेज, क्योंकि बेबी कॉर्न इज हार्वेस्टेड 1 to 3 days आफ्टर silking. You can see here 6 most common type of corn, that is dent corn, flint corn, floricorn, popcorn, sweet corn, pod corn. Dent corn, also called field corn, that is starchy with low sugar, and flint corn is the top and durable. Flint corn can be dried and come with array colors, and sweet corn, sweet corn here also harvested, that is 14 to 15 days after pollination. 14 to 15 days after pollination, this sweet corn is harvested. And you can see here, and you can take one screenshot also, popcorn, flint corn, floor corn, dent corn, sweet corn difference. What is the main difference? You can see here also. Then next, among the following is an example of amide fertilizers. What is amide fertilizers? Amide fertilizer are that fertilizer which are readily soluble in waters and mix up with the soil. Here example is, answer is urea, and urea is also called carbamide, that is amide fertilizer, and formula is NH2 CONH2, that is NH2 whole 2. And plant mainly received nitrogen in two forms, that is cationic form and anionic form. Cationic means positive, that is NH4 plus ammonium form, and in anionic, that is nitrate form. In these two forms only plant receives nitrogen, that is ammonium form and nitrate form. Easily convert to, and after the solubility of urea in soil and water, it can easily convert to ammonium and nitrate. Red delicious is the variety of which fruit? Red delicious variety is a fruit. Yes. Bharti K has answered this question, that is red delicious is the variety of apple. And the process of parturition in rabbits is called, process of parturition of the rabbit is called kindling. And what is called kidding, that is for goat. This term is used. Goat parturition is kidding, lambing for sheep, and calving for cow. And the length of the ostrich cycle in the sheep is, that is 15 to 18 days, mainly 17 days it is there. And you can see in animal husbandry, maximum time they have asked in 2022 and 23, maximum they have asked from the question, that is sheep. From this sheep they have maximally question they have asked. In 2023 also one question is there, I have discussed in 2023 paper. You can go and watch our YouTube channel. and I'll see some comment section from the YouTube also what they are asking. Okay. The next question is, among the following which is the component of knowledge communication system? तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? First, there is three system is there, that is KGS, knowledge generating system in KGS, that is all state agriculture university SAU are there, and knowledge dominating system KDS. Here you can extension services, all KBKs and data center of ICR are there, and in knowledge communicating system KCS, here farmers and rural people will come. So here answer is farmer. Which secondary tillage operation is used for breaking up clods and pulverizing soil? तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? सेकेंडरी टिलेज ऑपरेशन बोला है, तो सेकेंडरी टिलेज ऑपरेशन हियर आंसर इज हैरोइंग. Here answer is harrowing, and you can see I will show you some next slide. Primary tillage is the soil tillage that is done after last harvest. It is normally conducted when the soil is wet enough to allow plowing and strong enough to give reasonable levels of attraction. Then in secondary tillage, improve soil tilt and prepare seed bed, manipulate plant residues and farm waste, manage water and soil control, and you can see here all the primary and secondary implements. The primary tillage implements include plow, chisel, then hard pan, and your secondary tillage implements include cultivator and harrowing. The Ufra disease of rice is caused by nematode disease. It is one of the nematode disease. It causes that stem chlorosis, and it is caused by Ditylenchus angustus. You can remember this scientific name. And here white patches, you can see here also white patches from the leaf bases and mosaic discoloration and leaf fluorosis. You can see totally chlorophyll of the leaf here you can see totally lost. Then the term used to define variation derived from any form of the cells or tissue is called somaclonal variation. In a body, two types of cell is there, that is somatic cell and reproductive cells. And in a normal term, cells means somatic. You can understand somatic cell only. So here the answer is somaclonal variation. Then acidic soil does not contain which of the following property? So there are three types of soil depending upon the pH, which have 7, that is neutral soil, and less than 6 or 7, that is acidic soil, and greater than 7.5 you can see alkaline soil. And in alkaline soil, that is, and you can remember the three parameter also, that is EC electrical conductivity, pH, and your ESP, exchange sodium percentage. Okay, and for EC, that EC of alkaline solution is greater than 4, that is good conductivity of electricity, greater than 4. Nicely they will conduct electricity. So here you can see acidic soil they have already mentioned, so they have salinity percent greater than 0.1% does not contain. Brinjal is transmitted through plant hopper, that is Isomorphous phagocytosis. This is one hytoplasmic disease, and that is here you can see floral part degenerated and total leaf necrosis, and that light yellow color is there. And what is the botanical name of salt tree? You can see salt tree, that is first option is there, Soria robusta, and Tectona grandis is first, that is teak. And this question asked from last year in NABARD, I think. And what is the critical time period for the daylight of the long day plant? Long day plants means you can understand more day or light required for the flowering, that is greater than 12 hours. So you can see where is the option greater than 12 hours, that is 14 to 18 hours. So here answer is 12 to 14 hours, 14 to 18 hours, sorry, 14 to 18 hours. C is the answer. And you can see here for short day plants what is the light requirements and dark requirement without light, and you can see here long day for also greater than 12 hours. The process of shrinkage of uterus of cow after birth and expansion and relaxation of mammary glands is called uterus involution. That is uterus, here uterus size will increase. Then which Himalayan breed goat is found in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, which is long horn, called backwards, droopy ears, small teeth, and color is white but mostly brown or black or produce fine wool. So here first option is Gadi. First option here A is the answer. Then you can take one screenshot and you can remember this all the breeds and all the states where they have grown or seen. Like you can see here Osmanabadi Maharashtra, Ganjam from Odisha, Chakrana from Rajasthan, Sihori from Rajasthan, that is Bengal from Jharkhand, West Bengal, Black Bengal. The next question is statutory body which is not under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry is Cardamom. This is not one statutory body, it comes under Spice Board of India. Spice Board of India. And here its main office is located at Cochin, Kerala. A person performs vegetable cultivation, fishery, woody crops, but that is for self consumption is called homestead agroforestry. तो जैसे कि सब लोग बोलते हैं कि एग्रोफोरेस्ट्री से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, लेकिन इस बार थोड़ा कहाँ चला गया, तो एग्रोफोरेस्ट्री से क्वेश्चन दिया था लेकिन थोड़ा डिफरेंट दिया था. Agri silviculture means agriculture plus forestry. And then agri horticulture means agriculture plus horticultural crops plus forestry. Agri olericulture means your agricultural crops plus vegetables. Then revolving fund day NRLM. Here you can see Deen Dayal Upadhyay Antyodaya Yojana, Ministry of Rural Development. One scheme is there. We have already discussed this one also. Here option is 10,000 to 15,000 they are providing revolving fund to the self-help group, SSG group. And they follow Panchasutra, regular meetings, regular saving, regular internal lending to this amount. Then the cod is precipitated using rennet or any other enzymes and then filter which is formed is called cheese. तो जैसे कि दूध फटने के बाद एक सॉलिड फॉर्म आता है और लिक्विड, तो सॉलिड फॉर्म को क्या बोलते हैं, चीज बोलते हैं हम लोग. नेक्स्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ स्टामेन्स फ्रॉम द एंथर इज कॉल्ड इमास्कुलेशन. ये तो इजी क्वेश्चन ही था, ब्रीडिंग से क्वेश्चन था ये. फ्रॉम द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन इज कॉल्ड इमास्कुलेशन. व्हिच स्कीम प्रोवाइडिंग guaranteed 100 days employment for the unskilled and manuals. Here you can see answer is Manrega. In 2006 it is implemented, but 2005 they have started or the bill passed in the parliament. In 2006 they have enacted in the country. And in you can remember one thing, 150 days for your hilly areas, hilly and drought prone area they are showing. Which hormone is involved in conversion of glycogen to glucose? Glycogen to glucose. Your answer is glucagon. Your answer is glucagon. That is glycogenolysis is the process where polysaccharide like glycogen convert to glucose, monosaccharide glucose. It is called monosaccharide glucose example. And here you can glucagon. Glucagon is the main hormone. Then during rainy and winter season, how sowing of maize is done? That is rich and pure method, because for the maize production water वाटर स्टोरेज इज द मोस्ट डेंजरस थिंग, बिकॉज जैसे कि मान लो मैच प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हो तो आपका वाटर डिपोजिशन उसका हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए इशू क्रिएट कर सकता है। तो इसलिए रीच एंड फेरो मेथड में वाटर पास करने के लिए वो लोग जो है रीच फेरो जो सिस्टम डेवलप करते हैं। Which of the following hormone is involved in the conversion of glycogen to glucose? Same, glucagon. Then crossing of the two different pairs of allele. Wait. None. Crossing of the two different pairs of allele having different traits is called dihybrid cross. And here two pairs of different alleles are considered. YouTube. What is the limit of credit for FPOs under the priority sector lending for the agriculture production purpose? So here answer is 2 crores. I have already discussed in our YouTube channel also. You can go and see one scheme, one video series we have already started, and in that only I have discussed about farmers producing organization. In that there are some priority sector lending, in that some priority given to a different sector like agriculture, education. In that government will provide loan or credit to the different organization, and in that maximum that limit is 2 crores. Then the finfish which contributes the maximum to the global aquaculture. Here answer is grass carp. Then the scientific name of grass carp, you can see 2 questions. Your answer is A. Then the rational equation is the simplest method determined to peak discharge from the drainage basin runoff. Q equals to CIA stands. यानी C stands for, तो ये जो है वाटर सेट का आपका एक इक्वेशन है और वाटर इरिगेशन का एक इक्वेशन है, तो जिसमें ये क्वांटिटी को बताता है। क्वांटिटी जैसे कि मान लो पहले बारिश हुआ तो आफ्टर फास्ट रन वाटर विल गो टू द सॉइल आफ्टर, तो इनफिल्ट्रेशन होता है। इनफिल्ट्रेशन के बाद क्या होता है, जितना पानी एब्जॉर्ब वाटर एब्जॉर्ब हो गया उसके बाद वाटर जो है रन अप होता है, मतलब बाहर निकलने लगता है सॉइल सरफेस से, तो उसको जो बोलते हैं आपका वाटर सेट, जो इक्वेशन के हिसाब से Q इक्वल्स टू CIA उसको डिफाइन करता है। तो CIA मतलब C तो हो गया आपका कांस्टेंट, रन अप कोएफिशिएंट बोलते हैं उसको, और I जो है आपका इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रेन है, I जो है इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रेन, intensity of rainfall, and A is the area of the soil or whatever it may be. The old man cactus is a species cactus native to Veracruz and central Mexico. Scientific name of cactus, you can remember this one only, D. Cephaloceras senilis. Then what is the process by which cow regulated previously consumed feed and chewed it further? तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं आपका रूमिनेशन, क्योंकि जो है काउ जो है रूमिनेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है। वो लोग जो है पहले कुछ जो फूड्स है वो लोग पहले खा लेते हैं, फिर उसको निकाल के उसको फिर कट डिफरेंट पीस में कट करते हैं वो लोग, ठीक है। और इन लोग का जो है स्टोमक में 4 पार्ट होता है, जैसे कि रूमेन, रेटिकुलम, एपोमाजम, एपोमाजम and last is omazum. And you can see here mouth, reticulum, omazum, amomazum, that is rumen. And here you can, they will from mouth they will directly come to reticulum, again they will outwards to the mouth, and in that they are chewing the foods. Which institute of the UN collects and maintain the data related to food production and consumption of hunger related information? तो इसका आंसर है FAO, फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जेनेवा स्विट्जरलैंड में इसका आपका हेड ऑफिस है, जेनेवा स्विट्जरलैंड। Which post harvest process is done in paddy before dehusking and involves partial boiling of paddy before milling in order to increase the nutritive value to change the कुक्ड राइस, तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा जो पैराबॉइलिंग। तो क्यों, मतलब तो इसमें आपका जैसे कि राइस में पैराबॉइलिंग होता है। पैराबॉइलिंग ये हाइड्रोथर्मल प्रोसेस है, ये हाइड्रोथर्मल प्रोसेस है जिसमें आपको जो है rice will half cooked and the total nutrient transfer to the main grain only. And you can then threshing means drying, polishing means storage, and dehusking means removal of the husk part only. Then the part of engine where ignition and mixing of fuel and air takes place is called cylinder. And you can see here cylinder part of EC engine where working fuel and gas trapped piston reciprocating the external combustion engine crankshaft converting the motion of the piston into rotatory motion, flywheels converts motion mechanical power to the vehicle wheels, and prime camshaft, what is the functions? It is opening and closing of inlets and outlet valves. The process of taking out threads from the cocoons obtaining from the silk fiber is called, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका रीलिंग 42A. Then dash is the non-living organic matter within the soil derived from microbial decomposition and plant and animals. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, ह्यूमस। जैसे कि सॉइल क्या करता है, एब्जॉर्ब करता है नेगेटिव चार्ज, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया था नाइट्रोजन जो है नेगेटिव फॉर्म में मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्ब होता है, नाइट्रेट फॉर्म में, जैसे कि अमोनियम फॉर्म में भी एब्जॉर्ब होता है। लेकिन और एक चीज जैसे कि दो टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर होते हैं, एक बल्की ऑर्गेनिक मैटर और एक कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑर्गेनिक मैटर। बल्की ऑर्गेनिक मैटर जो है आपका क्वांटिटी हाई क्वांटिटी में उसको अप्लाई किया जाता है, लेकिन कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑर्गेनिक मैटर जो है उसको जो है लेस मतलब क्वांटिटी में अप्लाई किया जाता है। और जैसे कि NH4 है, ये याद रखना, NH4 और नाइट्रेट ये जो है मोस्ट प्रीफर्ड फॉर्म है प्लांट के लिए। द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग ग्रीन कलरिंग फ्रॉम द क्लोरोफिल, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, डायरेक्ट डी ग्रीनिंग बोलते हैं। फिजियोलॉजिकल मैच्योरिटी तो नहीं होगा। डी नेबलिंग क्या होता है, ये जो है आपका मेल प्लांट फ्रॉम द बनाना, रिमूवल ऑफ मेल प्लांट फ्रॉम द बनाना, उसको बोलते हैं डी नेबलिंग। डी हस्किंग का तो राइस का हमने देखे थे पहले। द जर्मिनेशन परसेंटेज ऑफ ओनियन इन केस ऑफ सर्टिफाइड सीड इज 70%. These are the group of trees and shrubs that live in coastal intertidal zone, तो इसको क्या बोला जाता है, मैनग्रोव ट्रीज। और एवरग्रीन मतलब जो सदाबहार बोलते हैं, मतलब हर टाइम एवरग्रीन रहता है। डेसिडुअस मतलब पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे वो लोग लीफ फॉल होता है उन लोगों का। और मैनग्रोव ट्रीज जैसे कि सुंदरवन डेल्टा, ये गोल्डन ट्रायंगल उस साइड में देखने को मिलता है मैनग्रोव ट्रीज। Then next, Kun system accommodates how much more plants to then it is then only then square system, तो 2 times, क्योंकि इसमें जो है एक बीच में एक प्लांट लगा जाता है और जो है इसमें ज्यादा प्लांटिंग होता है तो 2 टाइम्स हो जाता है। स्क्वायर में जो है 4 स्क्वायर में हो गया, लेकिन इसमें जो है बीच में एक ट्री आ जाता है तो 2 टाइम्स ज्यादा हो जाता है। द ऑपरेशन ऑफ पल्सिंग रेट डाउन टू इंक्रीज द सेल्फ लाइफ ऑफ द फ्लावर्स, तो इसमें क्या करता है, जो आपका फ्रूट्स है, फ्रूट्स को जो है डीप करते हैं सॉल्यूशन में। द फंगस व्हिच कॉजेस सॉफ्ट रॉट एंड लीकेज ऑफ जूसेस फ्रॉम द फ्रूट सच एज टोमेटो एंड स्वीट फ्लावर, तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा आपका, राइजोपस। जैसे कि टोमेटो सड़ जाता है, उसमें पानी निकलने लगता है, तो उसका जो एग्जाम्पल मतलब ऑप्शन जो है बी इसका आंसर होगा। It is a pest when it is larva feeding on crops as it grows in size till it pupates and remains dormant till August and May, तो इसका जो आंसर है रेड हेयरी कैटरपिलर है। और ये जो है आपका कैस्टर में ग्रो करता है रेड हेयरी कैटरपिलर, तो इसके लिए आप जो है ट्रैप मतलब ट्रैप क्रॉप भी यूज कर सकते हैं। और डिफोलेशन करता है, ये डिफोलेशन इसका एक है। टोबैको कैटरपिलर का मेन क्या है, डिफोलेशन ऑफ द लीव्स। और ये जो है इनफेक्ट, ये कैस्टर क्रॉप जो है ये करता है, इन्फेक्ट करता है। इन ए कॉम्बाइन हार्वेस्टर द रेशियो रील पेरिफेरल स्पीड टू द फॉरवर्ड स्पीड शुड नॉर्मली बी इन द रेंज 1.25 to 1.50, and if this ratio is not maintained then there is shattering loss। The disease is most severe during the cool weather when heavy dews are present. The infection of viruses due to which plant leaves converted to the pale yellow. Name the disease. तो इसका जो है आपका आंसर होगा रिंग स्पॉट. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड चूज द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. तो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का जैसे कि इसमें आंसर क्या होगा, पोलन गेट्स ट्रांसफर टू स्टिग्मा एंड मेल रिलीज्ड विद द फ्यूज्ड विद एग. ये तो करेक्ट है. प्रोपागेटेड थ्रू सीड, ये भी करेक्ट है. पोलन कंटेंट्स द मेल गैमेट्स, ये भी करेक्ट है. इट हेल्प्स इन इवोल्यूशन ऑफ स्पीसीज, ये भी करेक्ट है. तो इसका जो है मतलब कोई भी आंसर गलत नहीं है. तो लास्ट ऑप्शन जो है ई, ऑल आर करेक्ट और नॉन ऑफ द इनकरेक्ट. आंसर ई. पावर जनरेटेड इन द इंजन सिलेंडर एंड रिसीव्ड बाय पिस्टन विदाउट फ्रिक्शनल लॉसेस इज कॉल्ड आईएसपी. तो ये जो है आइडियल इंजन है. और जैसे कि स्पेशलाइज्ड सिस्टम व्हिच इज प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम द लीफ एक्सिल एट द क्राउन ऑफ द प्लांट एंड प्रोस्पेक्ट हॉरिजॉन्टली. तो इसका आंसर जो है 2023 में दिया था ऐसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन. तो इसका आंसर होगा रनर. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए सीरीज ऑफ हिंग्ड और फिक्स्ड हैमर्स अटैच्ड टू द शाफ्ट which rotates at a high speed of peripheral up to 100 meter per second are possible. Such devices are used for primarily for the hard and brittle material. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका हैमर टाइप. The sum of lignin and polysaccharide that are not digested by the endogenous secretion of digestive tract is called crude fiber. And the next question, the leaf spot which are characterized by the chlorotic cells lesion, angular to irregular shape, later turn grayish brown with the profuse correlation at the center of the spot. तो इसका डिजीज का क्या सेंटर ऑफ द स्पॉट बोला है, तो सर्कोस्पोरा लीफ स्पॉट. ठीक है. So again we have one free live webinar on 15th of November 7 p.m. onwards. So just fill this Google form, and I think a Google form link is changed. We'll provide the new link and you can just go and join to fill this Google form link, and we will discuss about the study plan, what is your mains, PYQ trend analysis, important topics and question answer sessions. And if this webinar is totally free, and in this webinar you have one-to-one interaction with previously qualified candidate in 2023, and now she is working at Punjab National Bank. And you can join our WhatsApp group for the free materials, and I can provide all these PDF of the previous year questions after some times. And you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups and follow us on Instagram, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are new to our YouTube channel, then you can see here our Telegram groups, WhatsApp group, you can join here. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, please ask, or we'll end the session. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and subscribe to our YouTube channel #agriculture. And what one question is there? Expected current affairs. Okay, expected current affairs, you have to just go for the different scheme I have already discussed, and you can cover daily current affairs related to agriculture only, not the all subject, but maximally they are asking about the different scheme also. And we have one YouTube series, one video, one scheme, and I have already uploaded 2-3 video. You can go and watch. And next we have come with another 2-3 different scheme video. You can watch their major current topics. You can join our session on 15th of November only. 15th November, and we will discuss there. Thank you, Bharati. Okay. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much. So let's stop our session here, and everyone, you will join again on 15th of November. We'll see on 15th of November. Thank you so much.